there is no more separation between this and that, it is called the still point of the Tao. At the still point in the center of the circle, one can see the infinite in all things. Zhuangzi. Hi everyone, my name is Thomas, and this is another super fantastic robust health and vitality tip. The Supreme Ultimate, also known as the Tai Chi, reveals that darkness and light are elements of the same source. This is unity beyond duality. All is one, and one is all. Divine dichotomy. Imagine if there was only light and no darkness. Would the light be able to define itself? No, it wouldn't. It requires the contrast. So, in order for all that is to experience itself, it requires the contrast in the world of the relative. Now, beyond polarity is this balance point here. This is called the pivot of the Tao. This is the non-polarity point. Maintaining balance is what acupuncture, qigong, meditation, tai chi, all of these modalities attain and maintain this point right here, the still point. Let's take a look at the relationship of yin and yang. Yin and yang are opposite relative stages of a cycle or states of aggregation, the motive force of all changes, development, transformation. Yin and yang are interdependent. One cannot exist without the other. There cannot be activity without rest. Yin and yang are in a constant state of dynamic balance, maintained by a continuous adjustment of the relative levels. Yin and yang are not static. They transform into each other. The seasons change. Night transforms into day. These are examples. Let's take a look at the attributes of yang. Immaterial produces energy, generates non-substantial energy, expansion, rising, above, fire. The attributes of yin. Material produces form, grows, substantial, matter, contraction, descending, below, water. So you can see the importance of yin and yang